How to create Gantt chart in Wrike. In this video, I'll show you how to create Gantt chart in Wrike. So to get started, go ahead and open Wrike.com into your browser and then sign in to your Wrike account. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and head over into the space where you want to create a Gantt chart. So go ahead and click on that space that you want to access, which you'll find under the space section. So go ahead and click on it, and that will take you into your space. So in here, go ahead and click on this plus icon, which you'll find at the top left of your screen, and then select Gantt chart from here. And that will allow you to add this Gantt chart view on your space. So as you can see, this is how my Gantt chart looks like. So at the right side, you'll find the Gantt chart, and at the left side, you'll find the data entered on the Gantt chart. And that is how you can basically create Gantt chart in Wrike. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.